Yes, my people, good day. Ride with me as I test drive this 911. The owner said, take it to the red line. I want to make sure that everything is good before I take this trip. And I did just that. But guess what happened when I was out here having all this fun? You would never guess. Check it out. Oh, man. Flat tire, and here I am out in the middle of nowhere, just cornfields. Wow. Well, I guess it's time to figure out how to change a tire on a Porsche. All right. Oh, wow. All right. Sometimes you have to go to the owner's manual when you're trying to figure some stuff. Okay, here we are. Luggage compartment. Tire. Oh, hold up. What? Tire filling. Tire sealant. Where's the jack? Tire. The tire sealant is located in a plastic box. Grass plastic box. What? All right, where's the jack? Towing lug tool. What the? Where's the spare? Tire filling compressor. There is no spare. Oh, wow. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Tire sealant. What? You get an air pump. What? You get an ear pump. Ah, right. You get an ear pump. Step one. And you get tire sealant. Yes, there is no jack. There is no spare. You get goop and you get a pump. Have at it. Yo, hey. This was going to be a how to change your spare tire video, but wow. Hey, let me tell you. So at this point, you just call roadside because yeah. Wow. I was planning to show you how we change a tire, but Porsche had a different thing in mind. So just fill it up with goop and turn on the little electric ear pump and hope for the best. Yeah. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah.